Namaskar, everybody. I am Dr. Swati Popatwats, and today we bring to you a fantastic, happy, fun session with dads, papas. Yes, because we are very curious to know कि पापा लॉकडाउन में क्या कर रहे हैं, and that is why we have with us here today three very, very, very happy and prominent and successful dads. So let me introduce them. Let me first start with Preetham Agarwal because he has initiated this session. Hello Kids has initiated this session for all its centers. And I'm sure there are a lot of dads in the audience who are listening to this. There must be some moms also because they must be wanting to know the dad's point of view. So Preetham basically requires no introduction because for me, he's the superstar. He runs a chain called Hello Kids. They also have a company called Little Fingers, which is into preschool equipment, toys, etc. I have personally visited his factory and I was floored because of the amount of stuff that is there. You don't need to buy from any foreign company, it's all available there. Preetham is also very, very committed to early childhood education, and that's why he's the vice president of the Early Childhood Association. And I am so happy and honored that Preetham asked me to moderate this session. Thank you so much, Preetham. Our second
Thank you
dad.
so much, madam.
Thank you. Our second dad is Neeraj. He is from Scholastic, Neeraj Jain, and he is the whole and soul of Scholastic in India. I know Neeraj from a long time. He always has a smile on his face, and I have been a huge, huge fan of Scholastic books because some of the best books that you require in early childhood education are with Scholastic, because when we are searching for books, we end up buying the same books, those the sets of books that come, and they don't have an impact on the curriculum or on children. But if you go through Scholastic books, they have a book club which they go to different schools. Right now, they have an online learning platform also, which is free for schools. They're starting a summer camp now called Bookflix. And we are very happy to have Neeraj as a corporate member of Early Childhood Association. And I respect companies that become members of the Early Childhood Association because it shows that where it's concerned with quality, they are not hesitating in investing. So Neeraj, thank you for joining us here today. You are from Delhi. Preetham is from Bangalore. I am from Mumbai. So it's time now to go to Punjab. And Punjab से हमारे साथ है Mr. Shobhan. And Shobhan is a wonderful, wonderful human being. Again, as you can see, always smiling, हमेशा खुश रहते हैं. He runs a chain called Clay, and he has schools and preschools with that brand name. And what I like about Shobhan is that he is a very quiet, non-controversial person, but he's able to create a controversy and argue his stand very, very subtly and very, very nicely without hurting anybody. And that is the attribute of his I love, really. He has so much of knowledge about education, but he's not arrogant. And that is why, for me, ye mere teen favorite dads hai. So thank you, Shobhan, for being here today. और आज हम कुछ मस्ती धमाल, थोड़े क्वेश्चंस, थोड़ी चर्चा और बहुत सारा ज्ञान बांटने वाले हैं एक दूसरे को और all the people who have joined us also. So let us start. Are we ready? So my first question is coming to Preetham. Preetham, there are so many moms groups, है ना? Facebook पे moms group होते हैं, Gurgaon moms and Delhi moms and Bangalore moms and moms. So why are there no dad groups, or are they secret groups and we don't know about them?
All right. So thank you, madam, for a wonderful introduction for all of us. And I wanted to introduce you first to the audience. Friends, मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ because I wanted to this event to be both Hindi and English. Friends, Dr. Swati Popat words. She is my inspiration, and this is
So
the only lady I follow. This is the only lady I follow across the globe to understand the early childhood education. Rather than going and searching dictionaries and Google, I always try to listen to her and follow her. So
out.
she is my research and she is my Google right now.
Thank you
And
so
friends,
much.
Very well said.
so friends, she is the president of Podar Education Network, and she is the lady behind Early Childhood Association, app Association of Primary Research and Education. Friends, she is not more than a education minister to all of us. If you all agree, and we really do not wait for any comments from MHRD or Women and Child Development. We wait for her words.
How
So
sweet.
this is about how we follow her with all the words. What
Thank
is
you.
ECA is doing and what is APER is doing at the backstage with all the team is different. But yes, we all wait for your words to go ahead. Whatever you say, Hello Kids is really following us, following you, madam, specifically for the last 5 years without any
Wow.
ifs and buts. So this is for you, because of you that I am myself developing myself as one of the leading father. I'll say the full-time father for my kids also, and for my all the kids across India and outside.
So sweet.
So
बस अभी
the
बस
thing
करो,
is,
बस करो,
now
बस
I knew,
करो.
madam, I knew that you are this question, and uh, for the dads, नहीं, I'm coming back to question. I knew कि आप मुझे ये सवाल पूछने वाले हो कि डेट्स ग्रुप का क्या हुआ है, and मैडम very strongly I say that मैंने आप ये वाला काम भी कर दिया है. Yesterday night we have launched it, a global dads club, and we have 169 people who are already joined in last less than 24 hours.
Wow,
And
super.
I promise that with all of my friends' support and your support, we will take it to 1 lakh within next 365 days.
बस आपने बोल दिया, मैं समझ गई कि हो गया. Because अब जब प्रीतम कुछ बोलते हैं तो वो कर दिखाते हैं. That is what I love about him. So नीरज, आप बताइए, आप कोई डैड्स ग्रुप के पार्ट है, और एज डैड्स यू फील के क्या ग्रुप में आना चलता है?
No, I think first of all, thanks Swati for a very nice introduction, both for me and Scholastic. I think Dad's group come hai. You are right. I think hai hi nahi. I did go and join one of the Dad's group, which was called Gurgaon Mom and Dads. There is one Gurgaon Mom, and there is one called Gurgaon Moms and Dad. I did join that. There was hardly any activity there. I think share nahi karte hum log itna.
Exactly.
So those groups don't work that much.
Absolutely.
And I actually felt very bad last year. मेरे स्कूल में बच्चों का जो ग्रुप बनता है, नॉर्मली मैं खुद ही एक्टिवेट करता हूँ. जब क्लास मिक्स होती है तो सारे पेरेंट्स का नंबर लेके और ग्रुप बना देता हूँ. तो I had, when my daughter was in grade 7, I had this parent group called Parent Group 7G. They moved on to 8, and same class continued. Somebody renamed that group as Mom's Group.
Oh.
And I had to exit out of it because obviously, technically, I can't be a part of a mom's group. Right?
See,
so this is what happens to us.
Absolutely.
We always second fiddle when it comes to kids. But theek hai.
I know. Absolutely. Absolutely. Well said. Shobhan, what about you? Are you part? आप कोई dad group के part हो?
पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपने हमें बहुत अच्छा इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, as everybody said, and the way you have showered that love, and I must say that we have really learned a lot from you in the last almost 4 years. I have been following every word that you have said, and we have implemented every single bit in clay. And as a father as well, I learn whatever you say and whatever our ECA heads say. We learn a lot from them. Dr. Rita, Dr. Asha Verma. So
yes,
I learned
yes.
And as you said about the question that joining a dad's group, there did not exist one in my view because I did not see anyone. But now since Pritam ji has made it, so I am carrying it forward. And We did make one when my son was in LKG class. So that was the first mom's group that we saw as a WhatsApp group. And when we thought we should make a dad's group also. But the dad's group it ended up into sharing jokes and everything. There was no conversation regarding children.
No conversation. Exactly. I think what Neeraj says is absolutely right. Dads itna share नहीं करते हैं जितना moms share करती है, you know. So, Neeraj, my question to you. I know your child is quite older now, but when your wife was pregnant, आप कुछ help करते थे? What was your experience? What was your role during your wife's pregnancy?
So I think प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान मेरा रोल तो मेजरली ये होता था कि जो भी चीज कहें उसमें सपोर्ट कर देना, बिकॉज दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन यू हैव टू कीप हर हैप्पी. सो पूरा सपोर्ट था. बाकी समझ कुछ ज्यादा थी नहीं, खासकर जब पहला बच्चा होने वाला था. अपने खुद की समझ तो ज्यादा थी नहीं, बट हाँ, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, एंड स्पेशली फॉर माई फर्स्ट चाइल्ड, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर द इनिशियल डेज. पहली बार जब अल्ट्रासाउंड के लिए दूसरी बार गए थे और जब हार्ट बीट सुनाई गई थी हमारे को, या जब वो किक किया था, सो इन्वॉल्वमेंट पूरी थी, सपोर्ट पूरा था. इन पर्टिकुलर ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करते थे, बस हाँ जो क्रेविंग होती थी वो यू हैड टू जस्ट मेक श्योर कि यू आर मैनेजिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. बियॉन्ड दैट ऐसा कोई खास सपोर्ट नहीं था. फैमिली का पूरा सपोर्ट था, एंड लकीली वी वर इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर. तो पेरेंट्स अगर आपके साथ हो तो आपको ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करना पड़ता, क्योंकि उनका एक्सपीरियंस आपके काम आ जाता है और वो सब कुछ बताते जाते हैं, आप सिर्फ करते जाते हैं.
Absolutely. प्रीतम, when I see you as a parent, मैं जब आपको देखती हूँ आपके फेसबुक पोस्ट वगैरह, तो कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि अगर चांस मिलता तो आप अपनी बीवी को कहते कि तुम प्रेग्नेंट ना हो, मैं हो जाऊंगा, because you are so committed. You are so committed as a father. I have not seen a more committed father than you are. So आप बताइए, how involved were you during your wife's pregnancy?
All right. So, madam, I'm in a joint family. हमारा एक joint family है जो हम 25 people stay in one roof right now. So
wow.
We have 6 children. We are 6 children, and we all 3 brothers together with grandparents and father. We stay. But still, नीरज जी जैसा नहीं था मेरा situation. Even from day one of the pregnancy till all the scans and everything, I had a lot of people at home to support Sunita. But I was there at all the moments for every scan, every appointments, every of the side work. That was naturally because I have started this school prior to my wedding itself.
Oh,
right? So
that I didn't.
The more challenge was to start the more challenging was to start a school when you are a bachelor and people are not accepting you as a school owner who is a bachelor. So that was more challenging than this pregnancy support.
Okay, that's a good point.
So I was there, yes.
So you were completely supportive. Perfect.
I was not required. It was not required by Sunita, but I was there with her.
Superb. Shobhan,
एक चीज I'll accept it.
हाँ.
एक चीज.
Yes. I think Preetam को कुछ connection में problem है. So we will go to Shobhan till then. Shobhan,
yes.
You seem
No.
आ गए वापस?
I think there is some network issue.
Yes, some network issue. So Preetam, we will go to Shobhan and come back to you. So Shobhan, you are a very, very quiet, soft-spoken, caring kind of a person. So were you the same with your wife during her pregnancy?
Yes. I've always been protective and caring by nature, and I always used to be with her throughout the pregnancy, because my first child, he's 9 years old, Kautilya now. So when wife was pregnant, so I used to be with her throughout the hospital visits and everything to understand what is happening and what all ultrasounds and everything she's going through. And the doctor was a friend. She's our next door neighbor. So she used to invite me inside and let me see everything that is happening. So it was quite a comforting thing, and we made a lot of memories of that time. So
Oh, wow.
along with the pregnancy, like I remember when my son was born, I was there at the gate, and I was told that you have a son, and I literally had tears and did not know that I was a father. मतलब वो
How?
फीलिंग ऐसी थी कि लग ही नहीं रहा था कि अब आप फादर बन गए हो एंड कुछ डिफरेंट है क्या है. We realized it after so many days when I had to clean his potties and everything. शुरू
अच्छा.
में तो फैमिली सपोर्ट थी. So
Absolutely.
that way is yes.
Yes. So
Well, I
आपने
was-
तो बता ही दिया, शोभन आपने तो बता ही दिया, क्योंकि मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था कि which one of you were present in the delivery room with your wife and saw the actual birth of your child. तो आप तो नहीं थे.
No, I was not inside the room. I had to
Yes,
wait
yes.
outside because the
So
hospital did
let's
not
go
allow
to
inside.
Preetham. Let's go to Preetham. Preetham, were you present in the delivery room?
Yes, I was there, and I'll tell you the small start of this. Doctor invited me to go inside, but I was denying that मैं ये नहीं देख सकता. But finally, before the last procedure, the doctor called me out with a nurse. Nurse बोली कि आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा, and doctor is calling you inside because he was almost like a family doctor. And as soon as I entered, I saw that she was taking out my first child. It was twins. I'm a father of a twins, and she was holding Chanky, my son, as first. And she said, फिर से मुझे लड़का मिला है, because he has already given 2-3 boys for the home, and her word was मुझे पहला लड़का मिला है now. So it was that moment which I saw my child inside that operation theater, how you see movies, and it was like a movie situation for me. And
So
as Shobhan said, it was no.
आप faint नहीं हुए? Because many fathers faint when they see this.
No. I was mentally not prepared, but जब उसने वो, see, that was that call from the doctor. नहीं, तेरे को तो अंदर आना है. It was that words, right? So as soon as I went, I saw this first one, and immediately after these 30-40 seconds, she said that now I got the daughter for you. And I was seeing Sunita, and it was like every blessings, whatever the people had given it to me till today, it was a pure. What was I was saying that both the kids were very, very comfortable, and there was no issues at all. So that was a very big challenge, and that was which we need to wish as a twins mother or a father or a parent, that both the kids are born safely.
How lovely, how lovely. Neeraj, what about you? Were you present in the delivery room?
No, unfortunately no. One, I was also in a dilemma stage, जाना है कि नहीं जाना है. और फर्स्ट चाइल्ड के दौरान हम लोग 1.5 दिन से हॉस्पिटल में ही थे. एक दिन पहले एडमिट हुए थे. They were inducing pain to Tanvi, and then we were told, because actually we knew बच्चे तो मेरे ही थे, थोड़े शैतान थे अंदर भी, तो but the cord was around the neck and around 1 feet.
Oh my God.
The doctor had told us that we should try our level best to get a normal delivery, but in all probability it would be a cesarean. So then they took her inside, saying that it has to be cesarean, now we can't wait anymore. And that's why I was not inside, but I still remember we were waiting outside, मैं, मेरी mom, my mom-in-law, and my sister. And as in India, what happens is that everybody tries to give you a prediction before your child is born. Yes. Right? And that kind of multiplies multifold when you reach the hospital. And if you spend 1.5 days in hospital, तो वो हर nurse, हर कोई जो आता है वो आपको बता के जाता है कि ये पिछले 1-1.5 दिन से ये मूवमेंट है, तो आपका लड़का होगा. And I was the one who wanted daughter. तो हर किसी ने हमारे को आके ये व्यू दे दिया था कि लड़का ही होगा. और and I was the one who was like, daughter होगी मेरी. And we were standing outside, and doctor comes out and says, हाँ सब कुछ ठीक है, दोनों ठीक है. मैंने कहा भाई दोनों ठीक है, सही है, हुआ क्या है ये तो बताइए. So he says, हाँ लड़की हुई है, and we all shouted in joy. And he was like, for a moment he thought कि हमें समझ नहीं आया है कि उसने क्या बोला है, because he was not expecting that kind of an expression for a girl being born, right? And the nurse came outside with my daughter, and they took her to nursery. और हम लोग सारे नर्सरी में दौड़ गए, उसको मैंने सबसे पहले हाथ में ले लिया. And then I realized कि तन्वी बाहर आने वाली होगी और हम में से कोई वहां नहीं होगा.
Oh.
We had to rush back upstairs कि भाई निकले उससे पहले पहुंच जाए. हम इतने खुश हो गए थे और इतना ज्यादा वो, it was a feeling of joy. It was, your wish coming true कि आपको लड़की चाहिए थी, लड़की हो गई. तो हम भूल ही गए कि एक बार को कि तन्वी अभी बाहर आने वाली है.
So nice. See, these are such personal, emotional moments that I think every father, because we when we think of childbirth or pregnancy, we never think about the father's point of view or the father's feelings or the father's emotions. And that's why this panel today is so important, even to all the dads who are listening, that dads also get emotional about the whole process. And it's so lovely to see that all three of you are so connected to both your children and your wives. Now I'm going to ask you a very, very difficult question. And yes, Preetam. Yes, Preetam.
मैडम नीरज के केस में तो 2 ऑप्शन था, बॉय या गर्ल. मेरे केस में 5 ऑप्शन थे. One boy, it was.
Yeah. Right. True. Boy, girl, boy. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. Superb.
Thank you.
Okay. So my next question is a little difficult. And I want you to be very truthful when you answer this. Koi cheating nahi karega. What kind of a father are you? Are you a 50-50 father, 60-40 father, 70-30 father, or a 80-20 father? Yes, Neeraj.
मैम एक छोटी सी क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए.
जी.
Yes, 50-50 father, 80-20 father का मतलब क्या है?
50-50 means, I thought सब businessman है, सबको समझ में आ जाएगा, but बहुत smart हो आप लोग. When it comes to fathering questions ना, तब आपको maths समझ में नहीं आता है. So 50-50 father is a father who is equally involved in everything to do with parenting. Okay? So which means अगर आप 60-40 हो, यानी कि 60% आपकी वाइफ करती है, 40% आप करते हो, या 70% आपकी वाइफ करती है और 30% आप करते हो, या 80% आपकी वाइफ करती है और 20% आप करते हो, या इसका ऑपोजिट भी हो सकता है. 80% you are doing and 20% she does, 60% you are doing and 40% she does, 70% you are doing and 30% she does. So what kind of a dad are you? So let me start with Preetam.
मैडम सुनीता सुन रही होगी कहीं से, फिर भी सच बताता हूँ.
झूठ नहीं बोल सकते.
तो मैडम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली आई बिलीव कि इस परसेंटेज में मैं अपने आप को 80 रखना चाहूंगा और सुनीता को 20 देना चाहूंगा. वो ठीक है. अगर वो नहीं मानती है तो उसको 60 दे देता हूँ, 40 में रख लेता हूँ.
अच्छा ऐसे, but actually you say 80-20. That is wonderful.
अच्छा, मैं ये भी बता सकता हूँ कि मैं 20% कहाँ नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, yes, वो बताइए.
तो मैं जब बच्चा थोड़ा सा बीमार होने की कोशिश होता है, जब दवाई की बात होती है, डॉक्टर की बात होती है, तो आई डोंट इंटरवीन. इट इज सुनीता डिसीजन. क्या दवाई खिलाना है बता देना, मैं खिला दूंगा, पर आई डोंट इंटरवीन. इट इज हर डिसीजन. I think बाकी सब चीज में I am from morning till night I am there.
Wonderful. And I've seen that on Facebook, so I can take it as the truth. Okay. So Shobhan, what about you? How much percentage?
I would say it is maybe 70-30 and 80-20. No, not 80-20, 70-30 or 60-40. She's more into, because she spends more time with children. Kautilya और कौस्तुभ को मेधावी ज़्यादा time देती है. So in the evenings I try to spend time with them and play with them. आजकल लॉकडाउन में हम खेलते हैं इकट्ठे, बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं, बहुत कुछ खेलते हैं. So we spend good time. But अगर रूटीन में देखें तो she gives more time. But yes, I have been with the children all the time. In every decision I am there.
Wonderful. Neeraj, what about you?
Academics में she takes the lead.
So आपने divide कर लिया है.
हाँ, मैं
काम divide किया.
So I would say 60-40, with me being 60.
Really?
With a caveat, I have to give due credit to Tanvi. She left her job when we were expecting our first child, and she's not gone back to work. So she's devoted herself fully for kids. Despite that, I will say that at 60 me and 40 her, because I have been very involved when it comes to parenting. and right from anything to everything, I have been involved. And I don't shy away from doing anything. I don't say anything is just her thing to do. I actually 3 years back थोड़ा बहुत कुकिंग करता था, ज्यादा नहीं करता था. जो मैंने ज्यादा कुकिंग करनी शुरू करी है वो अपने बच्चों के चक्कर में शुरू करी है. They both had breathing issues and उनकी काफी चीजें बंद थी और उनको खाने का शौक है, तो उनके लिए नई नई चीजें बनाने की कोशिश करने के चक्कर में मैं थोड़ी कुकिंग सीख गया. So that's the kind of involvement that I have done. So I would want to say 60-40. But having said that, Tanvi has devoted her full time to kids. So.
Wonderful. मैंने ये एक बात देखी है, men यानी कि फादर्स जब बात करते हैं ना, वो कभी भी बीवी की बुराई नहीं करते हैं. बट मदर्स का उल्टा होता है, वो फेसबुक पे भी कहीं भी हस्बैंड्स की जो बुराई पे लग जाते हैं, तो इट शोज दैट मेन आर वेरी स्केर्ड ऑफ देयर वाइव्स.
वापस घर भी जाना होता है मैडम.
आप दोनों चीज बोल के.
Absolutely. So Neeraj, stay there. I want to come back to you. What are your favorite activities with your children? Because you said you spend a lot of time. आप काफी वक्त गुजारते हो उनके साथ.
Right.
तो आपकी favorite activity क्या है बच्चों के साथ?
I'm बहुत difficult पिकअप करना favorite activity क्या है, क्योंकि I practically enjoy doing everything with them. मेरे को मौका मिले तो मैं सब कुछ उन्हीं के साथ करना चाहूंगा. मैं उनके साथ अकेले हॉलीडे पे गया हूँ. उन दोनों को लेकर, और ये आज से कोई 6-7 साल पुरानी बात है. तो मानवी was 7 and Naman was 8, Naman was 4. That time I took them to my native town जोधपुर, और हम लोग यहाँ से गुड़गांव से निकले थे तीनों ही जने, और 2 दिन रह के आए थे. Obviously रिश्तेदार थे वहां पे, but I had to take care of everything. So I love playing with them. I love doing things that they want me to do with them. I love reading to them. कहीं जाना हो, PTM वगैरह सब, I don't like to miss any activity that involves them. उनको बर्थडे पार्टी में छोड़ना लाना, not just because I can drive, because Tanvi drives too. तो अगर मैं हूं तो मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं हर कोई चीज जो उनके लिए करनी है मैं ही करूं. So I just enjoy being with them.
Wonderful, wonderful. Shobhan, what about you? Your favorite activities?
Favorite activity अगर मैं कहूँ तो it's like both are boys. So बच्चों को fighting करना बहुत पसंद है, लड़कों को दोनों को. So we do a lot of pillow fighting and पंजाबी में कहते हैं दुम्बा बनाना. So they hold me and they kick me and they push me and punch me. So I'm on the bed and they both are beating me. They love that activity and we do that almost regularly. So जब कुछ नहीं करना है तो हमने लड़ना है, खेलना है, कूदना है. But yes, I love being with them, just like Neeraj said. So I love going with them on the vacation. शरारत करना, लेट नाइट कोई मस्ती कर सकते तो वो करना, मेधावी से बच के चोरी छिपे चीजें करना. अगर मेधावी बाहर नहीं गई हुई है तो घर वाला घर नहीं, तो हमें किसी के डर नहीं वाला काम होता है. So हम तीनों शरारत करते हैं. We love doing all the शरारत together. So I'm a kid when I am with them. I'm not a father.
प्रीतम, मैंने आपके फेसबुक पोस्ट देखे हैं, आप तो काफी कुछ करते हो अपने बच्चों के साथ. मैंने देखा है, you take them out to even do good deeds, you know. So what is your favorite activity but with them?
मैडम आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा लाइन दूंगा बोलने के लिए. I as a student was never a good student academically. मेरा हमेशा एक्सपेक्टेशन होता था कि मैं कुछ सीख लूँ, कुछ नया देख लूँ, कुछ नया कर लूँ, यहाँ चला जाऊँ, वहाँ चला जाऊँ. और यही चीज़ मैं बच्चों के साथ करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. मैं एक छोटा सा लाइन और बोलना चाहूँगा. मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock से उठाने से लेके उनको स्कूल बस तक छोड़ने का काम मेरा है. एंड इट इज़ नॉट डिवाइडेड बिटवीन मी एंड सुनीता. आई हैव टेकन इट पर्सनली एज ए रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि ये काम मेरा है. उनको उठाना, उनको ब्रश बात जो भी कराना है रेडी करके स्कूल भेजना. स्कूल से once they come back at 4 o'clock, I make sure that I am there for them. So 4 to 4:30, 5 o'clock, I try my best कि मैं बैंगलोर में हूँ तो I'm at home so that I am going to meet them. So by 4:30, I again go back to my place. And once I am back at 7:30, 8 o'clock, till they sleep, they are with me. So anything according to me is life skills. गाड़ी धोना है, ATM जाना है, ATM का कार्ड डालना है, बबल्स के साथ नहाना है, जूता पॉलिश करना है, घर का पोछा लगाना है, डाइनिंग टेबल साफ करना है. I try to do everything with them when I am there with at home from 8 o'clock till they sleep till 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Wow.
So I try to do everything what they are not doing at school. मैं वो rhymes, alphabet, numbers कुछ भी पढ़ाने की कोशिश घर में नहीं करता हूँ. The school takes care of it, and I say that which is not possible. छत में जाना, बारिश में नहाना, चिड़ियों को पानी देना, डॉग को बिस्किट देना, साइकिल चलाना, बाहर जाना बिना डरे, बाहर जाके आना, अंधेरे में टॉर्च लाइट जाके ढूंढ के आना. I try to do all these activities.
Oh, wonderful. And I've seen all these posts of yours on Facebook also. And I always say, write a book about it.
मैडम आप ही से सीखा हुआ है कि कुछ करते हो तो लोगों को बताओ कि वो भी सीख सके.
Exactly. और ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, because when I hear the three of you talk, I think any of the women who are listening right now are going to be very jealous of your wives. कि ऐसा husband हमको क्यों नहीं मिला, या ऐसा father मेरे बच्चों को क्यों नहीं मिला. So that's also going to be there. Okay, now truth. Again, this question has 3 parts, and I want you to say the truth. Okay, bath, okay, feeding, and sickness. In तीनों चीज में how involved have you been? Have you given a bath to your child ever? Have you fed your children? And have you been with them when they were sick? So I'm going to start with Shobhan, because Shobhan also wanted to say something else. Yes, Shobhan.
Yeah, first I would love to say what I was wanting to say when you said other mothers who are watching, because I could see there are more mothers in the comment section than the fathers. And I, as you all were reading, I was loving reading the comments, and they are wonderful comments. So much fun. They are also enjoying, I am sure. Yes. But the questions that you asked, since the birth of my first child, Kautilya, once he was 3 months old, and मैं उसको easily handle कर सकता था, उस दिन से लेके आज तक दोनों बच्चों को मैंने ही नहलाया. So my wife is there in the kitchen at that time. So मैंने ही नहलाया, मैंने ही उनको तैयार किया, स्कूल भी मैं ही तैयार करके उनको भेजता हूँ. So it's my duty. So and I love doing that. They have a lot of fun with me in the water daily. And I try to teach them to save water as well, but we enjoy. And feeding, yes, I and Medhavi both do it. When they are not eating, तो मैं थोड़ा pamper करके भी खिलाता हूँ, and I make sure that they complete the food. छोड़े नहीं. So all that stuff. Teaching, yes, she does the teaching. So you asked
sickness. When your child is sick, do you take care of them, or the wife takes care of them?
Medhavi stays with them. If we have to take an off, mostly that she's taking care of them at home, and I go to the office. But yes, when it is to be taken to the doctor or taking the medicines or everything, I am fully involved. So I know which medicine has to be given, which is the medicine for which thing. I'm fully involved with that.
Wonderful. Neeraj, what about you? Are you there for all these 3 things?
For all these 3 things and many more, I am there always. So I have given them a bath from early young days to the time that you could actually give it to them. वो किया है, खाना खिलाया है. खाना खिलाने में तो कई किस्से हैं. तो मतलब लाइक अभी भी मैं अपनी डॉटर के साथ शेयर करता हूँ कभी-कभी. उसको जब खिला रहा होता था, उसको सब्जी नहीं खानी होती थी, सिर्फ दाल से खाना होता था, तो मैं बोलता था अच्छा सिर्फ दाल से खिलाऊंगा. और वो बोलती थी पापा इसमें कुछ आ गया. मैंने कहा ये मटर बहुत शैतान है, ये कूद के आ जाती है. So I have done those things.
So
right.
Sweet.
Sickness is one area where I feel जब मैं नहीं हूं तब तो तन्वी ही ध्यान रखती है, बट अगर मैं हूं तो सिकनेस के दौरान आई प्रेफर बीइंग विद चिल्ड्रन. उसके कई कारण है. एक तो आसानी से समझा पाता हूं उनको और वो समझ जाते हैं. दूसरी चीज ये कि बोथ फॉर माय डॉटर एंड माय सन, आई डोंट नो, गॉड गिफ्ट कह लीजिए या कुछ भी कह लीजिए, मैं 1-2 घंटे पहले प्रेडिक्ट कर लेता हूं कि इनकी तबीयत में कुछ होने वाला है. एंड मोस्टली आई हैव बीन राइट. एंड बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड इट केयरफुली, सो उनको डॉक्टर के पास ले जाना, उनकी दवाइयों का ध्यान रखना, unless and until I'm not there, then Tanvi has to pitch in, and she does everything because I travel a lot. But अगर मैं हूं तो उनकी दवाई, और अगर जब वो बीमार होते हैं तो मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं ही उनके पास रहूं, because as it is खाने पीने के लिए, चीजें बनाने के लिए तन्वी को निकलना ही पड़ेगा. और and I do like to be there. As I said, दोनों को ब्रीदिंग के इश्यूज हैं, तो कई बार जब प्रॉब्लम होती थी और जब शुरू में हमने उनको होम्योपैथी पे नहीं शिफ्ट किया था, तो ब्रीदिंग की प्रॉब्लम में क्या है, एक तो उनको सांस नहीं आ रही होती, खाना कुछ पसंद नहीं करते, और दवाई तो इतनी खराब होती है कि वो दवाई लेना पसंद नहीं करते. So to even give them medicine was a big ask.
Okay.
I have done all of that, and not because of anything else, because I wanted to be there with them at that point of time.
Wow. Really listening to the three of you, मुझे लगता है कि हर माँ बाप को ऐसे ही होना चाहिए अपने बच्चों के साथ, because I think भगवान ने इसलिए कहा है कि माँ बाप दोनों की जरूरत होती है बच्चों को, और इसीलिए जब कोई सिंगल पेरेंट होते हैं तो उनको दोनों की ड्यूटी निभानी पड़ती है, because a child should not miss out on having both these relationships in their life. And I think as the new generation is more involved, but the old generation was not that much involved, and many of the dads who wanted to get involved also, तो उनको काफी ताने मिलते थे कि तुम क्या लड़कियों के काम करते हो, etc. But it's you three are a real inspiration to all listeners, whether they are women listeners or male listeners. I am sure अगर women listeners है तो वो भी जाके घर में अपने husbands को बताएगी कि देखो उनके जैसे बनो, प्रीतम जैसे बनो, शोभन जैसे बनो, नीरज जैसे बनो, तो आप लोग शायद एग्जाम्पल भी बन जाओगे. सो अभी मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, अगेन आपको सच बोलना पड़ेगा. हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू एवर बीन विथ योर चिल्ड्रन व्हेन योर वाइफ इज नॉट अराउंड? हैज इट बीन नंबर ऑफ आवर्स और नंबर ऑफ डेज कि आपकी बीवी नहीं है, उनकी माँ नहीं है, मायके गई है या कुछ भी हो, और आपने उनके साथ वक्त गुजारा है? जैसे नीरज ने कहा था कि वो 2 दिन उनको बाहर लेके गए थे, तो इज द लॉन्गेस्ट दैट यू बीन विद देम विदाउट योर वाइफ 2 days or is it more?
Not more than 2 days, because mostly इससे ज्यादा वो कहीं जाती नहीं है, तो 2 से 3 दिन तो संभाला हुआ है मैंने, चाहे यहाँ पे चाहे बाहर ले जाके. Also, one thing that I always used to tell my wife, because वो 1 महीने के लिए अपने मदर के घर जाना पसंद करती थी गर्मी की छुट्टियों में, और मुझे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी उससे कि यार 1 महीने के लिए मेरे को बच्चों से दूर रहना पड़ेगा. तो मैं उसको बोलता था, एक काम कर, 15 दिन के लिए बच्चों को छोड़ जा, तू चली जा, 15 दिन बाद में बच्चों को पहुंचा दूंगा. तो शी यूज्ड टू से कि मेरे घर में भी मेरी एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी, आजकल इन्हीं के चक्कर में एंट्री होती है. तो आई यूज्ड टू इवन ऑफर हर दैट, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर जब भी वो गई है, और मोस्टली बिना बताए ही जाता था मैं. आई यूज्ड टू टेल हर कि मैं नहीं आऊंगा, बट मैं बीच में, क्योंकि ज्यादा दिन बच्चों से दूर रहना मुश्किल होता था, तो मैं बीच में कोई ना कोई काम निकाल के पहुंच जाता था 2 दिन के लिए बिना बताए कि यार बच्चों से मिले हुए बहुत दिन हो गए.
How sweet, how sweet. That is so emotional, really. Preetam ji, what about you? How long have you been with your children without Sunita being around?
It was only for 48 hours, madam, once.
Okay.
And she was there out to Calcutta, and I was there with kids for 48 hours. But as it was very comfortable with me, because even I, as a father and a joint family, I did not feel that they are missing or we are missing Sunita on that 2 days. And it was very comfortable 2 days. And yes, not much of experiences in this term.
Okay, wonderful. Shobhan, what about you?
So, Preetam wants to say something else?
नहीं, उनका हो गया.
यस मैडम, एक चीज और बोलना चाहूंगा मैडम, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Whenever me and Sunita go out for a short holiday for 3-4 days, we always say our kids that we are going for a office work. So till today they are very young and they understand कि पापा मम्मी काम पे गए तो no disturbances, they don't call us. As we are in a joint family, they are very comfortable at home. हमको फोन भी नहीं करते, हमको याद भी नहीं करते.
How sweet. See, that's a confidence. That's a confidence of a relationship.
Yes, but if they see some photos in phones that पापा ये कब का फोटो है, हम कहाँ थे, तो हम बोलते थे उनको कि बेटा ऑफिस के काम से हम जाएंगे, ऑफिस का काम खत्म हो जाएगा तो हम थोड़ी देर घूमने जा सकते हैं कि नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो both of them will say ठीक है, ऑफिस के बाद आप क्या करोगे, ऑफिस के बाद आप क्या करोगे, वहां होटल में आपको अकेले सोना पड़ेगा, इसलिए आप घूमने जाते थे. They do understand as of now.
Wow. Superb. Yes, Shobhan, what about you? आप कितना रहे हो?
I think this manipulation is possible when they are young. As soon as they grow older, they are going to learn it from you and they are going to do the same thing. Papa, हम भी जरा काम पे जा रहे हैं. So yes, it's been just I can say, see, the elder one was as he was growing up, so he was attached, and हम लोग मस्ती करते थे, हम लोग ज़्यादा time भी spend किया, and Kautilya can stay with longer with me. But Kaustubh is 4 years now, and he's very attached to the mom. He wants to stay with mama only all the time. So अगर हम लोग गए कहीं तो Medhavi was out there for a branch training, and she was in Haryana, and I was in Chandigarh. Both the kids I took them for a trip to Chandigarh, and हम लोगों ने enjoy किया अपना, friends को मिले, सबको मिले, and इनके बच्चों के साथ इन्होंने खेला. By the evening we came back, but they were like हम ज़्यादा time spend करना चाहते थे पापा के साथ, so they enjoyed. They did not miss the moment. So that was a great experience for me कि छोटा वाला भी मेरे साथ पूरा दिन रहा. But it's just a recent incident, few months back. But now I think both of them, they want to sleep with me, they want to stay with me, they want to have fun with me, and छोटा भी अब adjust करता है साथ में. But Kautilya के साथ I do a lot of masti. Kautilya के साथ we do spend a lot of time together. We go outside together. We go for Gedi on bike. We go on. Both of them love to go on bike with me. So we go on the Royal Enfield and they have fun with me.
Wow, that is really
घूमने के लिए
amazing.
उनको मेरे साथ जाना होता है. घूमने के लिए उनको मेरे साथ जाना होता है.
Acha. Okay, that is nice. So that means you all are confident enough to spend time alone with them also, because a lot of women also have a complaint that children are always with us. You know, my husband doesn't take care of them. I want some free time. I want some me time. But looks like you three are so comfortable that, again, I must say, lucky wives, really lucky. I'm now going to ask you a little. Yes,
I would add to this. Like rather, it's the other way. I always am pushing Medhavi to have free time and have her me time, have time with her friends, and I'll take care of the kids. You may go for a week, I'll take care of the kids. But she is the one who does not, rather. And
maybe
she must be listening to this platform.
Yes. Maybe
exactly
she's
the point I was bringing.
Completely forget her, you know.
Yeah,
madam,
exactly the point I wanted to bring. You know, and 2 points, Swati. You said we have got a lot of mom listeners, and they might go home and tell their husbands, you know, unke jaisa bano. I would always say that, you know, don't do that, because every father has their own way of doing things with their kids, and I'm sure nobody likes being compared. Second thing that I want to say here is, you know, kids enjoy being with father. Fathers also enjoy being with the kids. बट आप जब 1-2 दिन के लिए छोड़ के जाते हैं कहीं पे, तो अगर आप हर लंच टाइम पे फोन करके पूछेंगे कि लंच खा लिया कि नहीं, दैट इज वेयर वी आर काइंड ऑफ टेकिंग द एसेंस अवे फ्रॉम देयर. सो डोंट डू दैट. इफ यू लीव देम, then have full faith on the father that they will take care of the kids.
Absolutely. Well said. Very well said, Neeraj. Pritam, you wanted to add something.
मैडम, वो सुनीता इसलिए शायद छोड़ के नहीं जाती है कि उसको पता है कि ये कंफर्टेबल होंगे, छोड़ के जाना फिर बेकार है.
मैंने वही कहा कि वो लोग नर्वस होंगे कि हमको भूल ना जाए ये लोग सब मिलके. So I'm now going to ask you a little serious question. You know, as a parent, you're always worried about something or the other about your child, about them. There are so many things to be afraid of in the world. What if my child gets kidnapped, or what if my child falls into false company, or what if my child fails, or what if my child falls sick? So what is that one or two things that you are extremely worried about your child? Pritam, let's start with you. What worries you about your children?
Madam, see, I just understand as me also as a child, and as of now, whatever I'm learning, for a young child, उसको खाली इतना हमें सिखाना चाहिए कि वो किसी चीज से डरे नहीं बस एक बार. If we understand, the first very important thing is he should not have fear for anything in life. वो अगर इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकता है, वो academically strong नहीं है, he is not able to do something, he should not feel guilty about it. He should not say that I'm not able to do this, because he will have a lot of different options to do. He will have a different roles to play. He can have a lot of different options and places in life. तो अगर मैं उस बच्चे को उस fear को समझा दूं, तो शायद मुझे लगता है कि we will be able to make him understand and make him as one of the best citizens of the world.
Wow. So, but do you have anything that you worry about at the back of your mind?
मैडम, अभी तक तो मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ. मैं बहुत बार, जैसे शोभन बता रहा था कि मेरा बच्चा कुछ भी बदमाशी करता है, तो मैं शायद सुनीता के सामने नहीं दिखाऊं, कि बच्चे के सामने नहीं दिखाऊं, पर मैं बहुत दिल से बहुत खुश होता हूँ. कि यस, मतलब मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो, मैं देखिए हम लाइव है और मैं सच भी बोलना चाहूंगा, वो मार भी खा के आता है या पीट के भी आता है तो थोड़ा सा खुशी होती है। उसको पढ़ना भी चाहिए और वो पीटना भी चाहिए।
I love your daddying techniques, really, really. So Shobhan, does anything worry you about them, about their future, anything as a father?
Yes, I think I'm not on the screen. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So as a father, I would say the one thing that worries me a lot is the education system my children are studying in, because वही rote learning वाले method में है. No doubt they are in a Cambridge board, but still they are in a the convent school, traditional convent school, and मैं बहुत different हूँ education को लेके, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो बहुत practical रहे और वो वही सीखें जो उनको सीखना चाहिए and life skills हो. So कहीं ना कहीं वो उस मार्क्स वाले सिस्टम में पढ़ रहे हैं जहाँ पे स्कोर्स लेना और अच्छे स्कोर्स लेना, क्लास परफॉर्मेंस होना, कंपैरिजंस होना बहुत ज्यादा है. एंड साथ में माय वाइफ इज आल्सो शी बिकम्स, सिंस शी इज पार्ट ऑफ दोस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स ऑफ मदर्स, एंड वहां पे सारा दिन यही चलता है, तो शी अल्टीमेटली स्टार्ट्स डूइंग ऑल दैट. तो हमारी दोनों की बहुत बहस होती है, एंड आई एम रियली वरीड अबाउट दैट थिंग. आई वुड से कि बच्चे जो कर रहे हैं, मैं जो चाहता हूँ वो वैसे नहीं कर रहे हैं. So sometimes I feel कि बिल्कुल स्कूल छुड़वा दूं और मैं अपने ढंग से ही करवा दूं सब कुछ. But that is not practically possible. That is practically not possible. Yeah, the school is very nearby my place, and it's a very good school, very renowned institution. But still, I feel that is one worry. And as Preetham said, we really have fun. तो ये एक भी चिंता रहती है कि मेधावी कुछ कहे ना बच्चों को जब मैं शरारत करता हूँ और वो शरारत करते हैं, because then मेधावी wants the family to be disciplined. एंड सब सेट हो, घर सेट हो. मैं चाहता हूँ घर गंदा हो, बिखरा हुआ हो, बच्चे खराब करके रखे, भागते रहे. तो वो चलती रहती है सारा दिन, झगड़ा चलता रहता है. That is part of it.
I'm so happy to hear these point of views, and I think where education is concerned, both you and Preetham had the very similar point of view कि education system में जो एक change आनी चाहिए, we feel it the most when our children are going through that education system. And I'm so proud of the two of you that you all are running a brand and are trying to bring about these changes. ये आप सब इतनी मेहनत करके वो changes ला रहे हो, और मुझे पता है वो easy नहीं है क्योंकि you have franchisees and it's very difficult to explain to franchisees क्योंकि easy money is in following the traditional format. पर आप जो दोनों एक काम कर रहे हो ये बहुत ही important है, and I must congratulate the two of you on that, really. So Neeraj, what are you worried about?
So मेरी वरी मैम दो हैं. एक वरी मेरी है, और and both are actually not worry from their perspective, worry is from my perspective. I've always been a happy-go-lucky guy and don't take too much of stress on anything. कहीं उसका क्या होता है कि अब जैसे पढ़ाई, एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टडीज, तो जो पढ़ाई है तो आई ऑलवेज टेल देम कि तुम्हारे को जितना करना है तुम अपने आप से compete करना, किसी और से नहीं करना. एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग गुड एंड यू आर सेटिस्फाइड विद योर परफॉर्मेंस, देन आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद योर परफॉर्मेंस. कई बार मुझे ये लगता है कि दिस काइंड ऑफ एन एटीट्यूड विल दैट मेक देम परफॉर्म बिलो their capability. Not right. I am not a person who gets very excited about 98% or 99%. That's all sham according to me. पर मुझे ये लगता है कहीं मेरा ये हैप्पी गो लकी एटीट्यूड उनको उस पे सेटल ना करवा दे जो उनकी लेवल से नीचे था. तो मैं उनको पुश नहीं कर रहा. You know, I don't want to push them because I always believe push नहीं करना है. They have to do it on their own. But this attitude of mine should not become limiting factor for them. That is one concern that I have. Second concern I have is that, you know, that's the overall, I think what we are growing up on nowadays. हम आजकल कुछ ज्यादा प्रोटेक्टिव हो गए और हम ब्लेम करते हैं एनवायरनमेंट को उसके लिए कि आजकल बाहर निकलने में प्रॉब्लम है, आजकल ये ज्यादा हो रहा है, आजकल क्राइम रेट बढ़ गया है, बच्चों को अकेले नहीं भेजना है. उस बार्गेन में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम उनको निकलना तो पड़ेगा ही. उनको जितना हम उनको प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे शायद हम उनको उतना उनके लिए डेट्रीमेंटल है. And that's where I am not able to feel that, you know, we are able to draw some balance there. हम कुछ ज्यादा प्रोटेक्टिव होके उनको रोक तो लेंगे अभी, बट आज से 2 साल बाद 3 साल बाद क्या होगा, जाना तो उनको बाहर ही है। तो हम उनको प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे कि हाउ दे हैंडल द एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड, हम उनसे बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सो आई थिंक कहीं आज के पेरेंट इसको मिडिल पाथ पे नहीं चला पा रहे हैं। एंड थर्ड इज अ टिपिकल कंसर्न दैट आई हैव विद द पेरेंट्स ऑफ आवर एज। हम लोग कहीं बीच में अटक के रह गए और हम उसका भी खामियाजा उन्हीं के ऊपर डाल देते हैं। हम दोस्त बनना चाहते हैं उनका, पेरेंट्स की तरह नहीं बिहेव करना चाहते हैं, और फिर हम उनको बोलते हैं हम तो तुम्हारे को डांटते भी नहीं, हमारे पेरेंट्स डांटते थे और तुम ऐसे करते हो। सो दैट वाज नॉट देयर चॉइस, दैट वाज आवर चॉइस,
राइट।
एंड देन वी पुट द ब्लेम बैक ऑन देम। सो आई थिंक समवेयर ये तो हमारी जनरेशन के साथ एक प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट फेज, राइट। हमारे पेरेंट्स स्ट्रिक्ट थे, सब कुछ जैसे बोलते थे करना पड़ता था, हम उनके साथ दोस्त बन के रैशनलाइज करना चाहते हैं, विच इज गुड। बट जब मौका आता है तो हम वापस उन्हीं को सुना देते हैं कि भाई हम तुम्हारे लिए ये सब कर रहे हैं तो तुम क्या कर रहे हो हमारे लिए।
Absolutely. No, very,
these are my 3 genuine concerns.
Really, आप तीनों ने जो points दिए हैं ना, I'm sure a lot of parents will relate to it. And I'm so happy that Scholastic is coming out with a book called Dads Are the Pie in Parenting. And all 3 of you have contributed chapters. So all those who missed this panel discussion can also get more insights into your parenting style, especially your parenting style in that book. So I must congratulate Scholastic. I think June में International Dads Day पे launch होगी, और अगर लॉकडाउन हुआ तो definitely online launch होगा. But kudos to you, Neeraj and Scholastic, for coming out with a book like that. And currently,
I have to thank you for that, because the whole idea originated from you, and you shared with me that you're thinking of this, and obviously this was not something that I would have missed ever.
Absolutely. Karanveer Bora, who is actually a very good friend and a dad of twins again, 2 twins, 2 girls he has. He started a Super Dads group, and that was the inspiration behind this book. And he's going to be writing a foreword also. He's also going to launch the Scholastic coding book for young children this month. And he's also an amazing dad, really. That, when you talk to people like this who come from diverse professions, you come to know, okay, you may be an actor, you may be a businessman, but at the heart of it, every father is a father first. वो सब बाद में होता है. So my last question, because we are going to take a question from the audience, how much are you helping in the house during this lockdown? So who wants to go first?
I can go first.
Yes. Okay, let's start with you.
So I think I'm helping as much as I can, but that help is not limited to certain things and not in these certain other things. It is wherever I can help. अभी तक झाड़ू पोछा नहीं किया है, बर्तन किए हैं, खाना बनाया है, बच्चों का ध्यान रखा है, बच्चों के साथ खेला कूदा हूँ, and we are also spending family time. So I think that encompasses every kind of a help, because this is also a period where more than किन चीजों में हम help कर रहे हैं, it's also about spending time together so that all of us are in a positive frame of mind.
Absolutely.
I think that's one of the biggest help in this stage.
Very well said. Shobhan, what about you?
So I would say this is the best time of my life. I would definitely say as a family person, क्योंकि जो टाइम इतना बच्चों के साथ इस टाइम पे मिल रहा है कभी भी नहीं मिला था, एंड अब दोनों के साथ सारा दिन खेलते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं. And if you talk about how I am helping in the family at this time, I'm almost doing everything that Medhavi is doing with me. And खाना बनाने में उसकी हेल्प करना, सब्जी काटना, कुछ भी करना, जो मैं कर सकता हूँ वो करता हूँ. I don't cook, but I help in the other chores. बच्चों को संभालना. We spend TV time together, we eat together, we have a lot of fun together. तो सारे काम कर रहा हूँ घर के, सब काम, कपड़े धोने से लेके सब काम.
अरे वाह, wow. Pritam, what about you?
मैडम जॉइंट फैमिली में है, मुझे बहुत स्कोप नहीं मिलता है घर के चोर्स करने के लिए, पर मैंने बच्चों के साथ सब कुछ कर डाला. बच्चों के साथ मिलके झाड़ू पोछा, बर्तन, नहाना, खाना, every day playing housey, every day before we do not sleep, before we do not play snake and ladders, we daily to give some printouts, do some coloring activities That is my daily routine with the kids. So kids care related activities, I've done everything, and I'm doing every day for 2-3 hours, but not the home chores for the family.
Oh, wow. But I think as dads, you're equally involved, lockdown or no lockdown. So I don't think that makes much of a difference. For me, life changed a lot during lockdown because my husband and I would usually get only 1 hour a day to spend with each other, breakfast time and dinner time. Sometimes dinner also we used to eat separately because he comes late. He's a writer director, so editing बहुत late तक चलता है. And we always had cooks and servants. I had stopped going into the kitchen since the last 10 years. Mainly the cooks were doing everything. Now, both of us are learning to reviving our cooking habits, looking after the house. And my husband is a total 50-50 kind of a husband. He does equally as much as I do. So I think we are fortunate that we have partners like this. And you three are fabulous dads, I must say. आपके जैसे पिता हर बच्चे को मिले और आपके जैसे पति हर औरत को मिले. That is what I'm saying. And what is going to be very good.
I wanted to record this for sharing it with Tanvi if she's not listening to this. The last part.
Tanvi is watching it.
Another very important aspect is that your children are going to grow up looking at you. So by just this change, by being you are changing the next generation also. So imagine how lucky your son's wife or your daughter's husband is going to be that you have brought up such democratic children who know that dad and mom both are important and both can help me in everything. So I think that's kudos to you all. And I enjoyed this panel. It didn't look like a panel. It looked like a chat. And I love your sense of humor also, all three of you. And I love that you are yourself. That's it. There is no put on, no show. This is reality. And this is how you are. So I think we could have time to take 1 or 2 questions. So if we can have the questions now, any questions that need to be addressed to the panelists?
So Neeraj can see that Tanvi is there. She's shown her hand.
Okay.
Can you imagine what this hand is for?
Yeah, Tanvi is there, very much there.
Yes, I can see her now.
Yes. And she's put his hand up also.
Yes.
Hi, Tanvi. So do we have any questions? Or should we just wind up?
Shivram, anything you can show it to us, Shivram?
Echo.
I think you guys were so good कि questions की कोई वो ही नहीं होती है कि you answered everything from your heart. You had solutions for everything. The 3 gentlemen are sharing their experience splendidly. Any advice or tips in general where both parents are employed? Okay. अगर दोनों parents काम करते हैं तब क्या होना चाहिए? Because I think that is Preetham can take that on the question because he and his wife both are working. Yes, Preetham.
Yes, Mr. Vijay, we both are working, and we understand that how important it is to be with the child in the initial 5-10 years, and even as far as I'm able to understand from Neeraj's perspective also, even after they are grown up, they need every bit of your life. How? Because they have a lot of emotion attached to you. For them,
Yes.
you are the world. Either you are working or not working doesn't make any difference. For them, you are the world first, right? For everything, you have to get yourself involved. You have to listen to them and you have to show them the world which nobody else can do. That is what I believe.
Absolutely.
I would like to add
here. Yeah, I would like to add here, Preetham, because you have a joint family. So many working parents don't have that kind of a support. So I would always tell parents that guilt parenting mat karna. It's okay if you both are working. It's okay if you're not able to give enough time to your children. But whatever time you are giving, be with them. Don't be questioning them, interrogating them all the time. Ye kiya ke nahi kiya, ye kyun nahi kiya, ye kitna kiya, ye kaise kiya. That time with them should be spent in doing activities with them, spending jokes, telling jokes to each other, playing games. That is the definition of quality time, because our next question is about what do you understand by quality time. There is no such thing as मुझे 3 घंटे बिताने ही चाहिए.
Exactly.
आपको भले 10 मिनट मिले आपके बच्चों के साथ, वो 10 मिनट में आप प्लीज उनको परेशान मत कीजिए. Be with them, talk to them, have a conversation, ask them if you want about their day, and share about your day, because children love to listen to that.
Yes.
So guilt mat rakho, and that is the meaning of quality time. Neeraj, you wanted to add something.
Yeah, I would only say that, the first question, which was that, if both parents are working, I would say that, whatever we discussed as fathers, I think that becomes even more significant when both parents are working. In our case, like Tanvi is there and still my involvement is there. So that's, without my involvement also things could have been fine, because Tanvi's got full day with the kids. But in case of both parents working, I think it's important that both mother and father understand that it's important for both of them to be devoting time to the kids, rather than just one of them and one person taking the lead for कि आज छुट्टी लेनी है तो mother ही लेगी.
Okay.
That should not be the case.
We're just going to take this last question. My son is most attached to me. Sometimes my wife gets angry as she thinks he's ignoring her. What should I do? Preetam, does your wife get angry with you because your children like you or spend more time with you?
No, not at all. Not at all. And she feels more comfortable that she's happy. She gets me time for her. She gets time for Facebook. She gets time for her music. She gets time for her workout. She gets time for her work. So she is comfortable and she is waiting for that कि ये कब आने वाला है कि I am getting free time for some time.
Yeah, but to seriously answer this parent's question, I think it's something that is a sense of insecurity which is there in many mothers. I always believe on a lighter note के second बच्चा माँ इसीलिए करती है क्योंकि जो first बच्चा जब बड़ा हो जाता है and doesn't need her as much, then she starts feeling this need that somebody should be there that is dependent on me. I need somebody like that. So second बच्चा हो जाता है, फिर third बच्चा हो जाता है, फिर fourth बच्चा हो जाता है. But it is very important that if you feel your wife is feeling those kind of anger issues, then it's best to sit down and have a talk and help her talk about it. You understand it, because as a husband and wife, having that balance is very much important. So we are short of time now. We have overseeded actually the time, and I will have to end the show here. More things you can read about fathering and all from that book, Pa, Dads Are the Pa in Parenting. I think I would like to congratulate these three fathers for being so upfront, for being so frank, and for sharing all their life's experiences, because ultimately the role of the father in early childhood is to be there, to be present, and to love being a father. So thank you so much, Neeraj. I must appeal once again to the audience. Scholastic books are one of the best in the world. And I say this because when I started my teaching career 33 years back, I used a lot of Scholastic books. Shobhan, thank you for being with us, and thank you for trying to bring about the so required change in education. And Preetam, thank you for putting this panel together and for always being that happy dad and that happy businessman who looks at education not only as a business but as a commitment. So thank you to all of you, and thank you to our listeners. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for being with us, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.